Yo, what's going on guys? Lloyd here backing up with another video, and today we got the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max that I'll be unboxing and giving you guys my first impressions and comparison between my 2 years old model iPhone 15 Pro Max, just to see them side by side and whatnot, and also discuss a little bit of the changes or some of the biggest changes that Apple made for their Pro lineup. First overall impression is that I don't like this part right here, which is the white color ceramic shield. Like everything else looks sleek, feels premium, you know, forged aluminum in silver. Wow, looks great. But then boom, you look at it, this white slab of what? It looks like an extended battery that's just been embedded there. Like it's great that it's a ceramic shield now compared to like just your regular glass from so many models ago, actually just last year. But overall though, why is it not the same color? You know, comment down below as to why, because I don't really know why. I wish it was silver, the same color as everything else. But beyond that, the overall feel and form factor, I mean, feels the same to be honest, as far as just how I hold it and stuff. Now transitioning it to my more dominant hand, this one definitely feels heavier than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is a titanium model. And so I'm pretty certain as well that the 6.9-inch Pro Max, which I don't have, I did not upgrade last year, is definitely gonna be lighter than this one right here. Now, is it lighter than the previous models, such as a stainless steel 12 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max? Well, I've had this 12 Pro Max before, and definitely I can say that this one still feels heavier than the 12 Pro Max. Now, as far as build quality goes, it definitely does feel beefier and durable. This one's titanium and this one's aluminum. You tell me, which one's tougher? However though, heat dissipation wise, I think this one will be a lot better than the titanium, because this one gets hot. Like it got hot the first day I unboxed it and used it in 2023. Like what the heck was happening? And this one, it's fine. I just powered it on and stuff. It's great. Like it's not hot. Now, as far as screen size goes, so this one is definitely an upgrade-ish for me. This is 6.9-inch versus a 6.7-inch. And as predicted, there's not much of a difference in terms of size itself. Like the screen real estate, I mean, it's not that substantial of a leap, to be honest. But at the same time, it does feel a little bigger than the 15 Pro Max. And coming from my 15 Pro Max, which did not have this dedicated camera button right here, I suppose, I'm excited to use it because that's definitely an upgrade for me. And then I noticed that the antenna from the 15 Pro Max right here has moved up here now. So that's pretty cool. I kind of like that. Hopefully this will make the signals and I don't know, Wi-Fi and everything a little better, but who knows? So what's actually new with the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Well, Apple's made some pretty noticeable changes this year, as you can tell already. Design-wise though, they ditched titanium after just like what, 2 years, and went back to aluminum. I wouldn't say it's lighter, but it does feel a little durable. But hey, again, titanium versus aluminum, right? You tell me which one's tougher. Camera bump wise, well, as you can see, Apple has turned this into a full width plateau across the back. So Apple's not shying away in admitting that the cameras are the star of the show now. For the display, this is actually perfect, but sunlight is hitting me right now and it is freaking bright. Brighter than my 15 Pro Max. It's got 3000 nits. Peak brightness means you won't struggle outdoors anymore. Obviously, ProMotion's still there. It's here to stay, and it's actually nice that they expanded it across the board now in their non-Pro version. More on that in a later video, since my partner is also upgrading. And now we also have a slightly upgraded Ceramic Shield 2, which is supposedly tougher than their Ceramic Shield 1. And the overall feel, well, it's still there. It's just a refined version of what we already know. Under the hood, obviously, I can't open this up. This is gonna be my daily driver, but there's a brand new A19 Pro chip paired with 12 gigs of RAM and up to 2 terabytes of storage. Now over here in my hand, I got the 512 gigabyte storage only, mainly because I use the cloud, Google Photos, iCloud, and also I have a bunch of external SSDs where I can just transfer all my files. But Apple also threw in a vapor chamber for cooling, which is first for the iPhones, but not first for any phone, because Android phones has had that for quite some time now. But the Pro Max definitely packs the biggest battery they've ever shipped. Now keep in mind though, there's two versions of the Pro slash I guess other models. So the whole battery itself won't be the same across the board in like all the countries. What I mean is some of them has a SIM card, and that SIM card basically just kind of reduces the battery size slash capacity, whilst the USA version right here, and I guess just North America in general and other parts of the world who's, transitioning to just pure eSIM, you'll definitely benefit for the bigger battery and longer use. Now let's go back to the camera. It's obviously the biggest shift out there. All three sensors are now 48 megapixels. The main lens has an improved stabilization, and the ultra wide finally gets the same resolution bump, and the telephoto moves to 4 times but can crop up to 8 times with optical quality results. Now on the front, the selfie camera, it's now 18 megapixels and supports dual capture. So you can film front and back at the same time, which isn't brand new actually at all, since other third-party apps can already do that. And also a little bit behind in times because my Samsung Galaxy S5 way back when was able to do that already. But what's cool about the brand new camera though is that it's now a square sensor instead of like a portrait or something like that. But basically it's just allowing you for a better capturing of details and stuff, and also center stage is a big one. We already have that in Mac and iPads and stuff, but I think this will be a game changer for a lot of folks out there, especially if you want to get more people in the photo. Now for video, you get ProRes RAW, cleaner zoom transitions, and pro level features like Gen Lock that most of the people out there won't even touch at all. But it all adds up to sharper, smoother footage for everyday use. And if you're a content creator, or basically you make a living shooting out of your iPhone or stuff like that, then that will be a game changer for you. Connectivity wise, it's got Wi-Fi 7 now, Bluetooth 6, faster USB-C charging, and MagSafe and all that stuff. And even Thread supports for smart home nerds. But again, this is just a first impression, you guys. I'll follow up with real consumer, no Apple content creator reviews, so definitely stay tuned for that. Anyways, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all in my next video.